So today we're going to be laying our paved section. We're going to be using the luxury range. This one's colour pearl and it's from UrbanStone. So we're going to start with our L shape in our back corner, and we're going to work out sets of L's through our paving area and then build back off those. Now, keeping everything square and parallel to themselves, we're going to put our tiles in. Using a mallet, we just want to bed those into our sand before we continue laying our pavers out. As you can see, we're starting to get that classic herringbone look through our paved area. So from here, we're going to put another one through this way, and that way we're going to see what the different size pavers we need to fill in our gaps as we go out. So in this space here, we're going to put one of our 400 by 400s. All right, so now that we've laid our main body of our pavers, we're going to work back towards the wall. And as you can see, we've got a bit of a gap here that we need to fill in. So what we've done is we've cut one of our 6x4s in half, and that's just going to slot in there nicely. Now that we've got this side sorted out, we're going to work back through this way. Making sure that you've got your lines nice and parallel with its neighbour. Now at the back, we've got the same thing that we had up in here, so we'll use the other section of the 6x4 that we cut to put in this back edge. And that's the start of our herringbone pattern. All right, so now that we've laid our herringbone pattern, we're going to get some of this fine build sand and we're going to put it in between all the joins just to lock everything together. That's just going to help the pavers lock into their neighbour so we don't get any movement.